going to eat it, and the spider coming along.
Along came a spider. Wow, there's a lot of arms. Who sat down beside her? He seems like a friendly fellow. And frightened Miss Muffet away. Oh no.
He's having some.
She's scared of spiders.
He loves some curds.
Now he's eating her curds and whey.
He's eating her rice.
Are you scared of spiders too? No? Spiders don't scare you? Well, not if they look friendly like him.
I am a big girl and don't scare spiders.
You definitely are.